Automating tier upgrades based on affiliate performance can save you time and ensure your affiliates are rewarded fairly. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll walk through exactly how to set this up so you don't have to manually track and update affiliate tiers. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is choose a software that allows you to automatically track affiliate performance. After testing several popular platforms, I found one that works seamlessly for automating tier upgrades. This software gives you the tools to track affiliate metrics like sales, clicks, and conversions, and adjust tiers without any manual effort. Once you've signed up and logged into your account, go to the affiliate program settings. Here, you'll be able to define different performance metrics, like sales numbers, commission rates, or conversion rates, that will trigger tier upgrades. You can create rules for each affiliate tier based on these metrics. For example, you can set a threshold of 10 sales for an affiliate to move from tier 1 to tier 2. Once they hit that threshold, the system will automatically move them up to the next tier. Next, you'll want to integrate your tracking system. This software syncs with your affiliate network to pull in real-time data about your affiliate's performance. As your affiliates hit performance milestones, their tiers will be updated automatically. This eliminates the need to manually check metrics or adjust commission rates. Once that's set up, it's time to customize how the system notifies your affiliates. This software allows you to send automatic emails or messages when an affiliate moves up a tier. This helps keep affiliates engaged and motivated. Plus, they'll always know where they stand in the program without having to ask. Now, one thing to remember is that automation only works well if you're monitoring your metrics regularly. Set up automated reports to check the health of your affiliate program so that you can fine-tune your tiers if necessary. If you see that certain thresholds aren't working, you can easily update them. Here's the key takeaway. Automating tier upgrades based on affiliate performance is all about choosing the right software and setting up clear performance metrics. Once you've done that, your affiliates will be upgraded automatically, saving you time and ensuring that your affiliates are always rewarded for their hard work. To recap, we've covered how to select software that tracks affiliate performance, set up your tier upgrade rules, integrate tracking with your network, and notify affiliates when they hit new milestones. This system can run on autopilot, ensuring everything works smoothly in the background. If you want to follow along with the software we used in this video, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of this channel. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your affiliate management process today. Thanks for watching.